Now to Washington. New security fencing has gone up outside of the U.S. Supreme Court, and it comes amid ongoing demonstrations after that leaked draft opinion suggests that the court intends to strike down Roe v. Wade. CBS reporter Natalie Brand is in Washington, where federal and state lawmakers are getting ready for a final decision.
That's right, Sarah. And Chief Justice John Roberts, during a public appearance today at a judicial conference, called the leak, quote, absolutely appalling. But the fallout from this draft majority opinion continues to grow as all eyes remain on the nation's highest court.
Additional taller security barricades are up around the U.S. Supreme Court, with demonstrations expected to intensify there and around the country ahead of a final ruling on the direct challenge to Roe v. Wade. Former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton told CBS Evening News' Norah O'Donnell she warned the landmark decision could be overturned back when she ran for president.
Once you allow this kind of extreme power to take hold, you have no idea who they will come for next.
The opinion is expected by early July, and it could shape the more than 20 states nationwide that are moving towards putting more restrictive laws in place. Some of those bills have been tied up in lower federal courts pending the high court's decision.
If you wipe Roe v. Wade off the books, it means there's nothing in the federal constitution to prevent states from completely outlawing abortions.
Some conservative states are also moving to restrict use of abortion drugs.
I think that there is going to be a battle between the states and the federal government, which allows the distribution of abortion pills, and states which try and outlaw the distribution and use of abortion pills within their boundaries.
Democratic states and local leaders are bracing for a possible influx of women seeking abortion services.
We've been very carefully building our infrastructure here in Minnesota so that we can be able to welcome that surge.
Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer says next week the Senate will vote on a bill to make abortion rights federal law.
People should show where they stand. This has been American law for 50 years.
Let's allow the people to weigh in on this, and we'll have a big national discussion.
The Democratic bill to codify Roe v. Wade is not expected to get the 60 votes necessary to move forward. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.
So, Natalie, before we let you go, we know the constitutional law professor you talked to, Jessica Levinson, thinks that one of the next big battles could be over women who try to go to another state to get an abortion, say like here in California. What do we know about that?
That's right, Sarah. A number of legal experts are raising this as the potential next frontier of court fights if conservative states begin to try to go after people who help, for instance, women travel out of their home states to get an abortion. That's why we're seeing state lawmakers in California try to take steps preemptively. In fact, California is considering a bill in the state legislature that would shield those who help a woman who travels to the state for abortion services from getting sued. Sarah.
All right, a lot to play out here, Natalie. Thank you.